Howdy, howdy. Fucked up Prince here. So, we have a story about my pigeon today. My pigeon is named Casey, and Casey was injured and came to me. She had a broken wing, and I'm not rich or nothing. I just set it and put it back in place, and she took it easy, let it heal, and it took months for her to heal. But then once she did heal, she was very vicious and very mean towards any hand coming into the cage after she got her energy back. So I think she was abused, probably by her old owner, which is really sad because she's such a good girl. She's an adorable little baby. Alright, can you give me some pets? Oh, yes. I love you. You're such a good girl. You say hi to camera? Hi, camera. Hello. Hello. Do you see yourself in there? You see yourself? Go look at yourself. Good job. You're such a sweetie. She's almost 300 grams now, which is a really, really healthy weight for a good girl like her. She's having eggs every once in a while. Here, I got it, baby. Don't walk in that. That's gross. You're a good girl. Let's go outside. Let's do her pebbles, because she needs pebbles every once in a while. You want to go outside? Okay. Let's go. Okay. Let's go get you some pebbles. All right. You are so beautiful. You want to show the camera your beautiful greens and purples? Good job. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. She really is a good girl. Alright, you can go find some. Probably over there. This is best. I'll be right here. Go ahead. You just want to hang out. You can just hang out. That's okay. We can just hang out. She's such a sweetie. I can't believe anyone would have hurt her, you know? She's such a good girl. Such a beautiful bird. You want to go back in? Or do you want to go fly? There should be some over there, baby. You can go get some if you want. You just want to make a video with me. Okay. She told me. She just wanted to make a video. Anyways, that's my girl. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. So this is how she gets pebbles. She comes out to the little grainy parts and gets some pebbles, and then she'll come back up to my hand. She flew off of me when I told her we were going back inside. She wanted some pebbles, so we came back outside, and now she's over there getting her fill. Once she's done, she'll come back to me. She's a good girl. We've been doing this a while now. I didn't know for the first year that they did this, and so I hope I didn't worry her into sorry, there's a weird car going by. I hope I didn't worry her into, or I didn't hurt her digestive systems. I don't think I did because she's doing great. The poops are healthy. There she is. Baby girl, you're gonna have lots of followers. I guarantee it. You're so smart. So beautiful. Thank you for doing a video with Daddy.